Are you tired of losing customers because your business listings are all over the place? Learn how to manage all your local SEO listings from one dashboard in under 3 minutes. First, we'll set up a folder in Semrush to organize your data. Then, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to access listing management and get your business listed everywhere. Start by going to your Semrush folders to organize your data. Click on the highlighted area to proceed. Click on the next highlight to move forward. Select Listing Management from the options. Click on the highlighted element to continue. Click on the next highlight to drill down further. Click on the Facebook link provided to view your listing. Click on the same Facebook link again to refresh or confirm. Click on Real-Time Data to see live updates. Click on Get Listed in all top directories. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.